Yo, hey, it's me again, Bobby Steele. I'm back with my '06 Honda Accord where I upgraded with the 10.1 big screen with the climate control and I had major issues, so I decided I'm gonna go with the 70. Put a 70-inch radio in the bottom, right there. I bought this kit from Amazon. So I'm gonna install it right here. The kit came with this wiring harness, which I solder and heat shrink. So it's gonna be plug and play. The only thing I might have to worry about is the steering wheel interface, which you got a steering wheel interface here. But the radio comes with two of the steering wheel interface cable, and I think these two wires here, 11 and 3, are the wires that goes to the interface that interface with the volume up, volume down, and channels. So I'm gonna tap into these two wires with these two cut wires right here, and then I'm gonna see if my steering wheel control will be able to control the volumes of the radio. So I'm not doing any step by step. This is just an explanation of what I'm doing, and it's a simple and the simplest thing you need to do. And the best way, just go buy the wiring harness with the dash kit that comes, step by step. That's very easy to be installed. So I will get back to you after tapping to this wire to see if the interface is gonna work. Interface work, and I would be able to keep my AC interface with the original manufacturer radio and the climate control, and I will get back to you and into the operating system. And so my next thing is to have it set up, and I'm gonna do the install. I think the hardest thing you have to do was making sure all your connections are proper, and then you have to look for the steering wheel interface wiring so you could splice it in so you could keep all your steering wheel functions. And the reason why I went to the 7-inch, I previously bought the big 10.1-inch that controlled the AC, but then I realized that it took forever to boot up, and if you don't boot up, the AC would not work. And then if you have 100 degrees weather, you can wait 5 to 10 seconds for it to boot up, and then it crashes. So I returned it back to Amazon, and I decided I'm gonna keep the original AC control and just put a 7-inch radio in the bottom. So 2006 Honda Accord. Okay, this is the final installation. Roughly 45 minutes. Install right here. Sounds good. But I just have to reprogram. Yeah, it sounds good. Clarity is really nice. So this is the final installation. I'm gonna figure out how to program the steering wheel interface with the radio. And this is the end of the 2006 Honda Accord. I'm able to keep my radio. Sorry, I'm able to keep my AC. And my clock. And everything works. So at night, this will light up and it won't be that dark in here. So anyway, this is Bobby Steele. Hey, which is another video. It's just an explanation. I don't really do how to. There's other people that just do. This is just basic.